Hi guys, welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So today we'll learn how to draw a dinosaur. Wow, are you excited? So first we'll draw a S bit pointed and then we'll draw the face and then we'll draw a big belly for the dinosaur and join the tail. Then we'll draw the legs, the eyes, and our dinosaur is smiling. We have drawn the second leg, two legs, two hands. Now let's draw the spines of the dinosaur. See, this is really cute, right? So quickly think of a color we are going to do for a dinosaur. Now we are making some designs on the huge belly. See, I have colored with this color, and you can color with your favorite color. You need to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.